Welcome students of class 12th commerce in our business study syllabus for class 12th. Today my topic is to discuss financial planning, and also we may try to learn today our first concept of financial planning, objectives of financial planning, and importance of financial planning. Dear students, financial planning is a process of determining the future finance requirements of a business and identifying the various sources through which these requirements can be met. It is the process of establishing the objectives, policies, procedures, programs, and budgets to deal with the financial activities of the organization. It ensures availability of sufficient funds at a right time for smooth functioning of the business. A finance manager has to estimate the financial needs of business. A wrong assessment may jeopardize the very survival of a concern. So we can say that financial planning is the process of establishing the objectives, policies, procedures, programs, and budgets to deal with the financial activities of the organization. And also it ensures availability of sufficient funds at right time for smooth functioning of the business. Objectives of the financial planning. Number first, the funds may be required for meeting the daily expenses or purchasing any fixed assets, etc. Therefore, the objective of financial planning is to estimate the amount of funds required and to ensure their availability at the right time. Number second, to ensure best possible use of financial resources and to see that no resource is left idle. The growth, investments, performance, and requirements of funds for a given period are considered under financial planning. Such planning includes both short as well as long term planning. Long term planning is mainly done for a period of 3 to 5 years and focuses on capital expenditure programs, while short term planning covers short term financial plans called budgets or the plans made for a period of 1 year or less. The first step in the process of financial planning is to forecast the sales and expenses, etc. On this basis, financial statements are prepared and the expected profits are estimated. This helps in determining how much of funds requirement can be met internally through retained earnings and how much through external funds. Finally, the various sources of obtaining external funds are identified and cash budgets are prepared on the basis of these factors. Importance of financial planning. Number first importance of financial planning is optimum utilization of funds. The success of business essentially depends on how carefully the financial flow has been prepared. By incorporating intelligent estimates of current and future capital requirements in the financial flow, a business enterprise is saved of the problem of surplus or shortage of funds. Number second importance of financial planning is coordination among different functional areas. That is, the statements of financial objectives, policies, and procedures, etc., in the form of a financial plan ensures coordination among different financial areas of the business. Number third importance of financial planning is avoids confusion and wastage. It avoids confusion and wastage. It also avoids uh, confusion and waste of sources such as time, goodwill, and other financial resources. Number fourth importance of financial planning is it reduces financial uncertainties. It provides a detailed plan of action which helps in proper direction of efforts and hence reduces uncertainties. Number fifth importance of financial planning is it is base for financial control. Financial planning helps financial managers in financial control as evaluation of financial practices and performance becomes easier. And sixth importance of financial planning is as detailed plans for future. It helps in avoiding business stocks and surplus and helps a company in preparing for the future as best as possible. Dear students, today we try to learn regarding financial planning, its concept, objectives, and importance. And inshallah, I will meet you tomorrow with the next topic. Till then, Allah Hafiz.